certain parts of the country. Jay Wynn has the details.
You're absolutely right, Martine. There's a winter storm headed towards the southern half of the UK tomorrow. But in the short term, we've got some pretty snowy weather out there at the moment. Met Office weather warnings in force for snow across much of the northern half of the UK. But as it pushes its way through, it will freeze. And we're going to see ice across many parts of the UK. The snow from, say, Buckinghamshire through northern England up into southern central Scotland, pushing its way eastwards all the while. It will linger across central and eastern Scotland into the morning. But as temperatures drop away behind that snow, I think icy roads will be a problem across much of the United Kingdom. So first thing in the morning across Wales, it's cold, it's frosty, a bit slippery on the ground, but at least it's dry, nothing falling from the sky. Dry too across most of Northern Ireland. A few patches of mist and fog here, and again pretty slippery on those roads. Icy roads too across the bulk of Scotland. Still maybe a little bit of sleet and snow falling around, say, Tayside and around the Firth of Forth as well. A fair bit of cloud around across Northern England, one or two mist and fog patches as well, but it is a dry, if cold, frosty and a slippery start to the day. Temperatures rise just a couple of degrees above freezing as you get down towards the southern counties of England, and here we'll see one or two rain showers. You notice a freshening breeze here. That breeze is freshening up ahead of this area of rain, which is working its way into Cornwall and Devon through the morning. And that rain is ahead of this. This is the winter storm coming in for Monday. It'll affect the southern half of the UK. Lots of isobars in the charts. It's going to be very windy. And the Met Office has an early warning in force for this winter storm. It's a triple whammy, really. Strong winds, heavy rain, and some heavy snow. Now, initially, it's rain and strong winds working their way along those southern counties of England. With that lying snow still around and the rain on top of it, 25 to 35 millimetres of rain, maybe even a bit more than that in places. Flood risk is quite high for those southern counties of England. Further north, it's actually a pretty decent sort of day, but cold, but essentially dry. Now, as we get on into the evening rush hour, that rain spreads its way northwards, it bumps into that colder air, and we'll see some significant snow falling in and around the Bristol area, across Wales, up to the Midlands. 10 to 20 centimetres snow, certainly possible. That's 4 to 6 inches or so. And that will cause some disruption to travel, no doubt. The strong winds on top of that will cause blizzard conditions for many of us. And that's strong winds, heavy rain, and the snow just slowly easing away through Tuesday morning. An improving day, really, on Tuesday. Many of us actually dry and bright, and even in that southeastern corner, after a turbulent start to the day, things should calm down. So plenty going on with the weather. If you want to keep up to date with the details, you can do so online. And, of course, there's plenty more weather information on the red button. Just head to page 400.